Alright, well, I'm filming the intro the next day. Didn't get around to it last night because we ended up getting out of the creek at low tide, and it wasn't so much paddling as much dragging the kayaks through mud. My girlfriend and I went out last night for a little happy hour kayak trip, brought some poles, and got on a good trout bite. It was a lot of fun. I was using shrimp and finger mullet mainly. We brought a few beverages, had a good night of it. But yeah, we ended up getting pretty muddy on the way out. No harm, no foul, but it took a while getting out of there, and I was not in the mood to film an intro or an outro, but for that matter, at that point. So anyway, I'm filming it the next day. Let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. I guess I didn't take them. Oh, there we go.
Ooh.
There might be something, that might be a trout.
12.
Yeah,
Nice.
I think. Yeah, oh, that's a good trout.
12.
Wow,
Eh,
that's a big trout.
you keep it?
Yeah, why not?
Ceviche.
Wasn't planning on it, but I mean, I'll double check the measurement. Yeah, it's a 15-inch trout. You only need 14. Nice little trout. Just gonna put this guy right behind you. Oh, that was a better hit. Yeah, it's a lot of fish right now. Hopefully there's more trout.
12.
This feels like a shark trout. This feels like a shark. Hope I'm wrong. What are you? Oh, it's another trout.
Yay.
Looks small though.
Small.
Still cool.
Very smooth.
I'll let you go if you want me to unhook you. Oh, you just peed on me? Really? Another little trout?
Bye.
Oh wait, I still have him.
Oh!
A ladyfish.
Eh,
Yeah, sorry. Keep him away.
I'm not a lady.
See that big thing I have in the fridge right now? Oh, I'm getting another bite on that rod. Little ladyfish.
Trash. Bacchanalian. Big
That was instant.
Bacchanalian.
Huh?
Bacchanalian. Characterized by or given to drunken revelry.
Man, they're really biting right now.
Love it.
What are you?
Who are you?
Oh, it's another trout. Damn.
Ooh, this is too big. Ah!
Stop. Stop. Oh, okay. Now these big.
Ah.
Another trout there. Small, so he's got to go.
We're rolling?
Yeah. Yeah, I had the camera on. Yep. Keep the rod tip up.
What is that?
Might be a crab. Yeah, I think it's a crab.
Ooh,
But it feels heavy though, right?
not worth it.
You can get the next one.
Get off, you stupid. Ah!
Yeah, just hold the rod for a sec. Do you want it?
Hmm?
Do You want it?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure? Another trout. Small again. Making that sound. All right, another small trout. Mm.
Bye.
Can't do that with a kid.
Until they're like 18.
Well, at least you're not
Oh,
supposed to.
I'm stepping
Oh.
over. Oh. Look at me, I got an knife for it.
That's a good fish. Oh,
Ooh!
that's a big trout. I think.
Ceviche! I get more excited now because
It's not a big trout, but it is a trout.
Ooh! It's pretty big. It's not big enough,
Ah.
probably. But, ah!
Oh, there's one on this. You want to grab the other rod?
What am I trying to do?
Well,
My
be careful
Bibles.
with it. Oh.
What?
Reel it up.
Ah, you bitch.
Is it a crab?
Yeah.
So another small trout. This is like trout number probably 6.
Hello. Special cameo. Follow me at Cooking with Booze on Instagram. Thank you.
I lost my sandal.
Quick plug.
Ah. Don't come this way. Save yourself.